Hello everyone.
Happy December 10th. Today we celebrate human rights, Nobel achievements, and lager lore. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry, more exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. It's Human Rights Day, honoring dignity, equality, and justice for all. A great gift could be a donation to a rights organization, a book on civil liberties, or a Stand Up for Rights pin. Whose advocacy inspires you? Let's celebrate them below. It's Nobel Prize Day. A salute to groundbreaking contributions in science, peace, and literature. A thoughtful gift could be a biography of a laureate, a science experiment kit, or a poetry collection. What field fascinates you most? Let's spark the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. Christmas is 15 days away, and the countdown is the perfect nudge to plan heartfelt gifts. And finally, it's National Lager Day, a bubbly celebration for beer enthusiasts. A sweet gift could be a craft lager sampler, a chilled stein, or a home brewing kit. What's your go-to brew? Let's toast in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description, you'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for January 6th to 10th. So you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.